Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, today I'm in Newark, Delaware, and behind me is the Amtrak and SEPTA, I hope I'm saying that right, train station. Let's take a look around. At the parking lot there's 10 spots to charge up your electric car. That's pretty cool. Then over here I'm gonna say, I don't know, about 20 stations to lock up your bicycle. Pretty cool idea there. Yeah, walk around the station. I don't see anybody in there. I hope we can get in. Doesn't look like it's even open. Newark, Delaware, SEPTA waiting room. Oh, there's a keypad, so I don't. Can't get in. It's probably you have to have a special pass to get in there. Let's see if the elevator works. We'll wait on the elevator, see if anything happens. And then there's a regional rail transit map. Still no elevator, but there are a couple of Amtraks. You probably need to get around to the other side because they're going to be coming through here pretty fast. Check out that old train station. Now it's a museum. It's the Newark History Museum. So we got down here just in time. We're going to have 3 trains all probably within a few minutes of each other. First one's going to be 2158 Acela heading north. And then the next one, I think it was 86 Northeast Regional heading north. And then 185 Northeast Regional heading south. So they should be here soon. Right next to the main line, there's this rail yard. I don't see any trains of any type over there. I'm not even sure who uses it or if they use it at all. If any of you know, leave a comment below. Thank you very much. I gotta tell you, this East Coast corridor has got to be the busiest in the country. If there's something busier, just leave a comment below and tell me where that's at. But within 45 minutes, we saw 4 Amtraks, all going from about 80 miles an hour up to 124. Like I said, this East Coast corridor from Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and Boston, pretty busy. And once in a while, you'll catch the occasional freight train coming through. But this is like Amtrak territory, and they're flying by here all the time. I think that's going to do it. And from Newark, Delaware, Traveler saying, see you by the rails.